If you're creating videos, you may find that the microphone in your desktop PC is a lot better than the microphone in your inbuilt camera. But did you know that you could actually use this microphone rather than that one? We're going to show you how to do that. The way we're currently doing it is we're using some software called Audacity. It is a free piece of software and the link is in the description down below. Once you've loaded up Audacity, just make sure you've got the correct microphone selected and just hit record. Once you've done that, go over to your camera and hit record, and then literally just record whatever you want. So your microphone on the camera is recording the audio as well as the microphone from your PC as well. Once you're happy with what you've recorded, we want to save the file. So we'll go to File and we want to go to Save Other and export it as an MP3 file. Give your audio a title and press Save. Now close down Audacity and open up Adobe Premiere. Once you've loaded up Premiere, we want to import both the video and the audio file that we've just saved using Audacity. Drag over your video to the timeline and drag over the audio that you've just done in Audacity. As we can see, we've got both the tracks there now, and you can manually line up the audio, and you can probably do a half decent job. And the issue you may have is when you play that audio back. So can you get yourself a 1080p 60 frames per second? You're going to be out of sync. Now there is an automatic way to get this to work. So on a PC, if you hold down shift on the keyboard, we will click on both the video and audio and our separate audio track. We will right click and then we will click on synchronize. Once we've done that, make sure we click on audio at the bottom and click on OK. And what that does is that it automatically lines up the audio tracks. And if we play that back again now, so can you get yourself a 1080p 60 frames per second USB 3 capture card for £15? So can you get yourself a 1080p 60 frames per second USB 3 capture card for £15? As you can hear, it sounds a lot more professional using our desktop microphone. Once you're happy with the audio, we can get rid of the old audio. And to do that, if we click on the layer that's got the old audio track on there, if we right click and click on unlink, that has now separated the video and the audio. We click on our audio layer and we press delete on the keyboard, and that is how you synchronize the audio using Adobe Premiere with a little bit of help from Audacity. If you've enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like, feel free to subscribe, and hopefully we will see you in the next one.